The next section, Master Layout, allows you to insert placeholders into your layout. Think of a placeholder like a restaurant reservation. Instead of reserving a table, you're reserving space on your slide. Then, when you build the individual slide, that reserved space appears automatically, ready for you to drop in your content. You can see two content placeholders on the right side of the screen. Those are the spaces we've been using for the text you've seen throughout this video. A nice hidden perk of placeholders is that they don't force you to use them. If you leave a placeholder empty while building your slide, nothing appears in that space. The learner won't see "click to add text" or any other hint that something was meant to go in that space. One thing to remember is that this icon behaves a little differently from most others in Storyline. Icons with a small down arrow usually have a default action, like inserting the same object you used last time. The Insert Placeholder icon doesn't do that. It always opens a drop-down list with your placeholder options: content, text, picture, character, video, and web object. Most of these are straightforward. Choosing text reserves that spot for a text box, exactly like inserting one during slide development. But this text box will always appear in the same place, with the same properties anytime you use that layout. A character placeholder inserts an avatar from the content library. Just remember, if you place a character on the master layout, you won't be able to change the pose, expression, or angle on the individual slides. So use character placeholders carefully. A quick warning about web object placeholders. They display live content from an external web page. If that page goes offline or changes, the learner sees, well, nothing. Whenever possible, embed content directly into your lesson or link, only to internal company pages that you know won't vanish. If you choose content, you're reserving that space for any type of content: text, pictures, videos, characters, AI-generated images, media from the content library, or even a web object. When you insert the item on the individual slide, Storyline automatically scales it to fit the reserved space, which keeps your layout clean and consistent.